In a world where Bitcoin coding is actually fun.
So, earlier I mentioned that this is probably the worst presentation I've ever done. So if that worked for you, you are now one of the few and proud who have used Taproot for something.
Join Super Testnet as he informs and entertains.
In this lesson, we are going to learn how to build our first basic Nostr application.
So it wants us to create a password. I'm going to use the word password as my password. Never do that.
Learn about Bitcoin script.
First thing we see on here is a signature.
Nostr.
Nostr's not cool unless you do multiple relays.
The Lightning Network.
But that's not what we're going to do. This is the wrong way to do it. We're going to do it the right way, and we're going to install LND.
BitVM.
A new folder, new document pulled up here. This is where the code base for BitVM is going to go.
Privacy.
Do you have to use Tor? Yeah, you do.
CoinJoins.
All coin joins are collaborative spending transactions, or I call them batch transactions, because there's multiple people.
And more.
Because I don't mind if my head looks screwy as long as my body looks great.
From Super Testnet, world-renowned Bitcoin educator.
This is Bob. Bob has a Bitcoin. He wants to send it to Alice. Alice has a wallet. And so,
Join his latest series of workshops.
What's all this? I don't know how to read this. This is code. What am I doing?
For only $20, you'll not only learn how to code.
So what do we got in here? Well, we've got something called contract. That is an object that's going to eventually have a bunch of transactions in it.
You'll have fun doing it too.
Half the presentation's done. We got LN bits running.
Sign up today at supertestnet.org.